Facebook land. I don't have my earbuds with me today, so hopefully this comes out okay. Today is day 3 on the Tour O Table Saw, and so this will be my third video for Road Rash Band Aids. And today's subject matter is stick to a routine. Okay, first of all, let me show you the stage and where we're at tonight. Kind of a cool little room there, and we're looking forward to doing the gig tonight. So yeah, today's thing is we're right there. I'm sorry, guys are bugging me. The idea is stick to a routine, and the reason that I think a routine is so important when you're on tour is it's like anything in life. When you go to do something, the guitar started playing. I'm gonna walk over here and do this video from over here, but I'm gonna stay live because that's what being live is about, right? So anyway, I think sticking to a routine is so incredibly important, just in life in general, right? Do things the same way every day and build upon your successes, right? If you're trying to do something, you're trying to, back here in the kitchen, come back here in the alley. Trying to do something in life, you want to build a routine and build upon your success, right? You want to every day get a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. Well, when you're in a band and you're out on tour, it's kind of Groundhog's Day a little bit. You're in different venues all the time. You're in different places. But if you stick to a routine and you do the Groundhog Day thing, things run faster, things run smoother. And as far as, just being able to get to the venue, get set up on time, figure out where you're going once you get to the venue, get the vehicle with the trailer backed and stuff, everything like that. Fred Fisher is in Boise, Idaho. I am in I'm not Casa Grande. I'm in Arizona. I know that. I do know that. Anyway, so sticking to the routine, right? So if you stick to the routine while you're on tour, it's going to make just the things with the band go smoother. It's going to make things run smoother as far as load in, getting the stage loaded, setting up, getting things ready to go, getting the kit ready to go. Takes me from beginning to end, from the time my cases are on stage to the time I'm ready to start doing sound check. Takes me about 45 minutes. I travel with all my own stuff. I'm virtually on tour with you, Bart. You know what, Fred? I wish you were here in real life because that would, A, be a lot more fun, and 2, you could help me with these darn cases. They're heavy. But, you stick to that routine. But then there's these little things, right? Okay, again, one guy is in charge of backing the trailer up, right? And that's me, because I know how to back a trailer and you don't have to fight with it. Okay, once you guys are unloaded, we want the trailer over there, get it out of the way for people coming in. And so load the stage, come out, grab the keys to the truck, move it, back the trailer up, get it out of the way. That little routine saves time. And I think it also makes the band look more professional, sticking to a routine in the Airbnb. When last night we got in kind of late, we had like an hour and 45-minute drive from the venue back to the Airbnb. Got back, wanted to get something to eat, kind of hungry. Next thing you know, it's 2 in the morning. I'm still up pretty early, because I'm doing the Road Rash Band Aids thing. I want to get my stuff ready to go to the gig. There's this routine. I never rush out the door. Oh my God, we're leaving, to get the sound check. We give ourselves plenty of time. Matter of fact, today, we got here so early. We were here with the sound crew, and the people at the venue were like, "Oh my God, you guys are early." Yeah, but and they're really nice. They're going to feed us today. And by the way, any gig that feeds you, that's a good gig. So they're going to feed us. So Like, well, what time do you guys want to eat? We had you slated to eat at this time, but now you're early. So, I mean, it's those little things. It does make a difference, right? People do like that. They do like to have you be at their schedule, but if you can be flexible with them, that is nothing but a good thing. So, there's my point. Be on a routine. Be prepared, not only in load in and load out, set up and tear down. Tonight, our routine's going to be the same. I get done with the gig, I'll walk out to the merch table, I'll say hi to a few people, shake some hands, kiss some babies, sign some CDs or books or whatever people want to buy, take a couple pictures, and go start tearing down. I think that is incredibly, incredibly important. And if your routine is like ours, that you get there early, right? You get to the gig and you're a bit early and you're there with the sound crew, do yourself and the band a favor. Don't just start loading the stage. Don't do it. That is taboo. Don't do it. Ask the sound guy, ask the sound crew, hey, is it cool if we start loading the stage? Because, most, like 98% of the time, they'll say, yeah, cool, go for it. Because they want to get their job done too. Sometimes, if they're running a snake and they're running wiring and running cabling, they don't want you up there because now your stuff's in their way. So always ask. That's part of the routine. Have one person, in charge of that. I'm going to, on this video, I put in like different, when I tag my website, I put my name, my website name in. I put my books in and stuff. So right now in this part of the video, poof, there's a picture of all of our gear. Poof, I'm back. Now, the reason I did that's for those people on YouTube, not the live people on Facebook right now. The reason that I showed that picture of the gear and you see all the gear, one of the things within my routine is I go to the people that are, especially in a place like this, because this is a performing arts center, and sometimes performing arts centers are used to having a lot of gear, sometimes not so much. The bands don't bring as much stuff. We've got a trailer full of stuff, and I mean, you couldn't put a toothpick in there. It is full, and it's all used. It's all necessities that we need for the gig. So a part of my routine, I go to one of the people that work there, the stage guy, the stage manager, sound person, if it's a different sound person than we normally have with us, and I tell them, hey, look, this is going to look a lot scarier than it is. Once everything's in place, it won't be as scary, because people they're like, where are you going to put all this stuff? There's a lot of stuff. Here, matter of fact, let me walk back in there. Let's see if they're still playing guitar and making noise. I'll walk out again, but let's see what happens. They're making a little bit of noise. You can see the stage here. It's a lot of stuff. So anyway, and all that stuff goes in flight cases. And I've talked about this in videos before, we do carry everything in flight cases. If you're new to touring, you're just starting out, or you want to tour, do yourself a favor. If you spend a big amount of money on a drum set, spend a big amount of money on cases too, because if you don't, they're going to get beat to death. And all of our stuff is in big flight cases, because if it's not in flight cases and you're on the road, you get to the gig and you're going to have a pile of toothpicks. It's that simple. Anyway, I'm just babbling now. So anyway, that was kind of today's thing, was be on a routine. Mary, thank you for watching. Fred Fisher, you are awesome. I hope you are doing well. I saw part of the podcast the other day, so thank you so much for all that you do for the drumming community. Guys, I'm going to go and go get my sound check done. But have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.